Yo, what's up everybody? It's Maria Mallet back again with another video, and this time we're diving deep into the world of automation. Now, we've all heard about robots taking over, right? But today, we're going to separate the sci-fi from reality and see how robots are actually changing the way industries work. We'll see how they're being integrated into everything from manufacturing to healthcare. So, if you're curious about how robots are shaping the future, you've come to the right place. Stick around as we explore robots at work. How automation is shaping the future of industries. First up, let's talk about manufacturing. This is where robots have truly revolutionized the industry. This is probably the first thing that comes to mind when you think of robots, right? The image of robotic arms assembling cars or electronics. And for good reason. Robots have been a game changer in factories for a while now, transforming how we produce goods. We're talking about robotic arms that can work with incredible precision, doing things like welding, painting, and assembling parts faster and more accurately than any human ever could. Their precision is unmatched. And the crazy thing is, they don't get tired, they don't need breaks, and their focus is always on point. They can work around the clock without any drop in performance. This means fewer errors, faster production times, and ultimately, more products rolling off the assembly line. The efficiency gains are substantial, and that's a win for businesses looking to boost efficiency and keep up with the ever-increasing demand. It's a competitive edge in today's market. But it's not just about speed and efficiency, though. There's another crucial aspect to consider. Robots are also handling tasks that are dangerous or hazardous for humans. This is a significant benefit for worker safety. Think about heavy lifting, working with toxic chemicals, or jobs that require repetitive motions that can lead to injuries over time. These are tasks that robots can do without risk. Robots are stepping in to take on these risks, creating a safer work environment for everyone. This shift not only protects workers, but also enhances overall productivity. Now, let's move on to healthcare, where robots are making some serious waves and transforming the way we think about medical treatment. You might be thinking, robots performing surgery? That sounds like something out of a movie. But it's not science fiction anymore. But trust me, it's becoming more and more common in hospitals around the world. Surgical robots are being used for everything from minimally invasive procedures to complex heart surgeries, revolutionizing the field. Surgeons control these robots with incredible precision, allowing for smaller incisions, less blood loss, and faster recovery times for patients. It's a game changer. Talk about a win-win situation. Patients get better outcomes, and surgeons can perform more complex procedures with confidence. But it's not just about surgery. The impact of robots in healthcare extends far beyond the operating room. Robots are also playing a crucial role in patient care, assisting with daily tasks that can be physically demanding for human staff. They can assist with tasks like lifting and moving patients, delivering medication, and even providing companionship, which is especially important for elderly patients. This frees up nurses and doctors to focus on what they do best, providing personalized care and attention to each patient, enhancing the overall quality of care. And let's not forget about the administrative side of healthcare, where robots are making a significant impact as well. Robots are streamlining processes like data entry, appointment scheduling, and billing, making the entire healthcare system more efficient and less prone to errors. This means smoother operations and better service for everyone involved. Chapter 3: From Farm to Table. The Rise of Agricultural Automation. Okay, let's shift gears and talk about agriculture, an industry that's been around for centuries. You wouldn't think robots would have a place out in the fields, but you'd be surprised. Farmers are increasingly turning to automation to improve efficiency, increase yields, and address labor shortages. Imagine this: autonomous tractors tilling the land, drones surveying crops from above, and robotic harvesters picking fruits and vegetables with incredible speed and accuracy. That's the power of automation in agriculture. These technologies are helping farmers optimize their operations, reduce waste, and use resources like water and fertilizer more efficiently. And in a world facing growing food demands and environmental concerns, these innovations couldn't be more timely. But it's not just about large-scale farming. Even smaller farms are benefiting from automation. Robots are being used in greenhouses to control temperature and humidity, monitor plant health, and even transplant seedlings with delicate precision. Chapter 4: The Future of Shopping. Robots reimagine the retail experience. Next up, let's talk about retail. We've all seen those self-checkout kiosks popping up in stores, right? They've become a common sight in many retail environments. Well, that's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to automation in retail. The advancements are far-reaching and transformative. Robots are being used behind the scenes in warehouses to manage inventory, pick and pack orders, and even load trucks. This automation is streamlining operations like never before. This means faster shipping times and fewer errors, which is a huge win for both retailers and customers. Efficiency is the name of the game, but it's not just about the back-end stuff. The front end is also seeing a revolution. Robots are also making their way onto the sales floor, where they're becoming an integral part of the shopping experience. They're interacting with customers and transforming the shopping experience. This interaction is adding a new dimension to retail. Imagine walking into a store and being greeted by a robot that can answer your questions, help you find products, and even provide personalized assistance, and even process your payment. Sounds pretty futuristic, right? But this is not just a concept. It's happening now, but it's becoming a reality. Retailers are embracing this technology to enhance customer service. Retailers are experimenting with robots that can provide personalized recommendations, assist with in-store navigation, and make shopping more convenient, and even offer a more engaging and entertaining shopping experience. The future of retail is here, and it's robotic. Chapter 5: Delivering the Future Automation in Logistics and Transportation. Finally, let's talk about logistics and transportation, an industry that's undergoing a massive transformation thanks to automation. We're talking about everything from self-driving trucks to delivery drones. In warehouses, robots are already hard at work, moving goods, stacking shelves, and fulfilling orders with incredible speed and efficiency. These automated systems are helping companies keep up with the ever-increasing demands of e-commerce and global trade. And on the roads, self-driving trucks are being tested and developed at a rapid pace. While we're still a few years away from seeing fully autonomous trucks on our highways, the technology is advancing rapidly, and then there are delivery drones. Companies like Amazon are investing heavily in drone delivery systems that could one day drop packages right at our doorsteps. Imagine that, ordering something online and having it delivered by a drone within hours. So, there you have it. We've covered a lot of ground today, from factories and hospitals to farms and retail stores. It's clear that robots are no longer a thing of the future. They're here, and they're transforming industries in profound ways. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of robotics and automation in the years to come. And who knows what the future holds? Maybe one day we'll have robots doing all the work while we humans kick back and enjoy the fruits of their labor. Hey, a tech enthusiast can dream, right? If you want to stay ahead of the curve and learn more about the latest trends in technology and automation, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for the Tech Trend Loop channel. Thanks for watching.